Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll begin by preparing the bag and the unit so sealing works first try. Make sure the Foodsaver Space Saver is plugged in and the hose is connected. Position the bag edge straight across the heat strip. Trim excess air pockets and leave about 1–2 inches of headroom so the machine can clamp and create a full seal. Once aligned, press the vacuum/seal button to start the automatic cycle and watch the lid lock down to pull air out efficiently. You now control the vacuum strength and sealing time. This is where results depend on technique. If you're sealing wet foods, choose the wet setting to prevent liquid from being sucked into the channel. For dry goods, select dry. For canisters or mason jars, attach the accessory hose to the port and press accessory vacuum. Keep the lid pressed closed until the cycle completes so the pump finishes evacuating air. Then allow the seal bar to cool briefly to ensure a durable bond. Complete the process by inspecting the seal for a full, consistent bead. A gap means compromised vacuum. You should label and date the bag, then store it appropriately, flat for liquids or upright for solids, to save space and maintain freshness. If the seal failed, don't panic. Replace the bag or move contents toward a clean area of the strip. Wipe the heat strip and gasket and retry. Make sure no crumbs or moisture sat on the sealing surface. Then start the cycle.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.